friends, welcome to Guess Me Quizzes. Quiz Aquatic animal related question and answer.
First one, which fish generates electricity? Options. First option, lobster. Second option, angelfish. Third option, shark. Fourth option, eels.
Answer is eels.
Second one, which is the biggest sea animal in the world? Options. First options, catfish. Second option, blue whale. Third option, sea lion. Fourth option, dolphin.
Answer is blue whale.
Which country's national animal is dolphin? Options. First options India. Second option Greece. Third option Europe. Fourth option Singapore.
Answer is Greece.
Fourth one. How many types of fish are there in the world? Options. First option 50,000. Second option 20,000. Third option 80,000. Fourth option 30,000.
Answer is more than 30,000.
Fifth one, which fish has no bones, no heart, no blood, and no brain? Options. First option, octopus. Second option, sea anemone. Third option, jellyfish. Fourth option, lobster.
Answer is jellyfish.
Sixth one, which is the most poisonous fish in the world? Options. First option, angelfish. Second option, oysterfish. Third option, tuna fish. Fourth option, pufferfish.
Answer is pufferfish.
Seventh one, which fish only live in clean water? Options. First option, dolphin. Second option, catfish. Third option, crab. Fourth option, eelfish.
Answer is catfish.
Eighth one, which fish can live over 100 years? Options. First option, Greenland shark. Second option, blue whale. Third option, catfish. Fourth option, electric eel.
Answer is Greenland shark.
Ninth one, which is the national fish of India? Options. First option, starfish. Second option, seahorse. Third option, shark. Fourth option, Ganga river dolphin.
Answer is Ganga river dolphin.
10th one, which fish doesn't have gills? Options. First option, dolphins. Second option, whales. Third option, angelfish. Fourth option, catfish.
Answer is there are two answers. First one dolphins, second one whales.
11th one, which sea animal is called as tooth walker? Options. First option, sea anemone. Second option, tuna. Third option, walrus. Fourth option, seal.
Answer is walrus.
12th one, what is the name of the fish that can fly? Options. First option, blue crab. Second option, blue shark. Third option, scallop. Fourth option, flying fish.
Answer is flying fish.
13th one, which fish makes a nursery out of bubbles? Options. First option, betta fish. Second option, catfish. Third option, angelfish. Fourth option, barracuda.
Answer is betta fish.
14th one, which sea animal is the king of water? Options. First option, jellyfish. Second option, shark. Third option, blue whale. Fourth option, killer whale.
Answer is killer whale.
See the picture and guess the sea animal name. Options. First option, eel. Second option, dugongs. Third option, seagull. Fourth option, otter.
Answer is dugongs. Guess Me Quizzes. Please subscribe our channel.